Almost every software gives you tutorial videos to learn its features, but have you ever found the right tutorial and still weren't sure what to do next? The video answers your question, but what if you need guidance while doing the task? That's exactly where uLaw's Answer Bot comes in. When you ask uLawBot a natural question, like, how do I delete an invoice? uLawBot analyzes your query and generates a clear, structured step-by-step action plan. Instead of searching through minutes of video, it gives you immediate directions. Enable admin mode, navigate to the matter, select the invoice, and confirm. You still get direct access to official video tutorials from uLaw Answers right below your steps, along with important compliance notes and audio playback options for a complete answer. And the conversation doesn't stop there. uLawBot anticipates your next workflow step by providing smart, clickable follow-up questions. Simply click a suggested prompt, like, how do I enable admin mode? And uLawBot seamlessly continues the conversation, instantly guiding you through the exact next step without missing a beat. Together, they make learning uLaw faster, smarter, and more intuitive, so you can spend less time searching and more time practicing law. uLaw, manage what matters, anywhere.